Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to show you another crochet kit, and it's also it's like a tea party or teapot and teacup kit. It's a crochet. I crochet everything here, so only one kit available. So yeah, if you are interested, just private message me or just email me, send me an email, okay, and I show you what you will receive from the kit. Nada. So dusty. Sneezing. She's sneezing. Let's show you where she like to stay here, but yeah, so long didn't come inside my craft room and everything's so dusty, and she want to come inside here. Nara, and she keeps sneezing here. Okay, this is very cool. Yeah, she very, look at her face. Can you see her face? Okay, let me just show you the kit. Okay, yeah, I'll show you the book first. Okay, let me show you everything here. Yeah, this one, crochet the teacup here, and also I print all these so you can decide to put where. And I also embroidery, do some embroidery work on this kit, and roses here. Okay, let me just put down and show you one by one, because a lot to share with you. And I also crochet the spoon here, and this I didn't glue, I just show you the sample. And this is, and the back is like so you have to, if you want to glue onto your project, or if you just want. So I also include the fabric so you can cover the back here. So this is the teacup, tea party, so, and a cupcake here, so, and the teapot. So, and I purchased the pattern from Etsy shop, so yeah, I will pop a link below the description box, so you can get the pattern from the lady if you want to crochet by your own. Okay, this one I print up here, so I should do the embroidery work here. The back also, so you have to cover with the fabric or the doily. Okay, so yeah, what I just give you the idea is, you can glue this on top of the on the doily. Okay, like so, and I with another doily here, and I print out this image here. So this is, is considered is the one page or something like so. Actually you can make so many, I think more than 2 fabric book if you use the doily to make another book, also can. And this one you just cover with this small doily, so you can put the image here, also can. And this one you can make another doily book, whatever you like. Maybe you can put this one here, decorate like so. Okay, and another one, and I use the pin to hold the spoon together with this teacup, and also do the work here. this is different color, so this different pattern. Okay, another cupcake, and another one. You can put this here, and also if you want, you can put the image here, but the image will cover. You have to trim smaller. Okay, just see how you do with this page here. Like so. So you can also put the cupcake here like so. Okay, and this one I embroidery with the yarn. Okay, the back you have to cover with fabric or the doily, like I put like so. Okay, this one another page, and another image. So, okay, this is another page. Okay, another one. So got another this, so you can put anything here, and this one you can glue together into another billion roses embroidery, and another cupcake, and another page, and see. Okay, and this page like so, and another doily, and the pattern here. Okay, and this is the last one, and I also got another teacup, so you can hang together 2 teacup here, and the spoon, and this. Okay, so, and another page here. Okay, all this is the crochet pages. Let me put back. So you can play with the way that you prefer. See how you decorate. Okay. It's so thick here, so you can make 2 books or whatever. So put side here, and so I include this fabric. This is printed. Cannot wash this because it's print from my computer, so not washable. Okay, so you can use this to cut and cover the teapot or teacup. So I got this pattern here. You see the difference? This is small, tiny one, the pattern, and this is a bigger but the same pattern. Okay, and also have another piece, and I use the scissors to cut already. And all this is the wording, have tea, and it would be, and make time for tea, and also have some of the fabric tag here, so you can decorate your book with all this stuff. Underneath, you can layer with the felt. like this one. So you got this pattern here, and now I show you what you will have. Also you will have one this cute fabric doll, so you can include, put this into your book. Okay, and some trim and tiny laces, and I also want to put this in. Okay, some different color tiny laces, trim. And some different color tiny bow. Okay, and some of these beautiful shabby pale color. What is this? Got some, yes, they got different patterns here. Got this one. This one. And this one. It is like a heart. I think this is, include 2 yard here. Each pattern 2 yard. This one I think is only 1 yard. This one, the white one, is only 1 yard. The tiny, the trim, slim tape trim is 2 yard. Okay, beautiful, lovely color. This one. And this one. This one like a star. Okay, 2 yard. And this one. Beautiful. Also, and 2 yard. And some more. Keep things. So yeah, this is more than enough for you to decorate your book, and also you can use to make others project. And this one of the cake box that inside is, let me to see inside there. Okay, yeah, this ring to for you to hold all the book together. I'll give you 2 size. See which you prefer. If you want to put all together, so you have to use this ring and this. Okay, you got 2. And this tiny cute stuff here. Let me just show you. Okay, you got all this beautiful ribbon flower, so you can use this to put here to decorate your book. So you actually, this here you got 2 different colors here. One, two, three, four, five each. Okay, beautiful. So you can use this to get the book. And also some of the small button. Also, if you want, you can use the button to put here, like so. So I put some already put glue with the to that embroidery flower. Some is plain, so I just leave it and let you see what you decide to do with this. Okay. And this cute tiny jar with 2 cup, yeah, 2 mug, and also water it with this flower, so you can hang this into your book. And 2 porcelain teacup, cute. I give you, yeah, 2 of this so you can hang here. Super cute. Let me check. I think I have the small tiny spoon. If I have, I will include the small tiny spoon. I have to check first. If no, yeah, just like that. And also extra paint here. So this is the some cute stuff. So I'll put inside the cake box here. Okay. And this is my dear friend Gail sent me. It's a teapot, but I don't have the teacup because she just sent me the teapot. So it's so cute. I include this in here. So inside is some of the tiny crochet flower. So look at this. So this is different color. There's so many here. So you can, yeah, use all this to make your project. Okay. And yeah, just that's it. All this is the crochet tea cup and teapot kit, and I really hope you all like this. And I will make some more by request from the members that asked me to make some more of the tea party kit. Okay, I will make maybe like a fabric book or something like so. But yeah, just is my next project. So that's it. This is the crochet teapot book. Only one other bowl. Yeah, just private message me and I will let you know the price and the postage. Okay. And yeah, I will coming up with some of the cute small kits soon. It's the snippet roll kit. So yeah, I will come back to show you the kit in another video. So yeah, this is the today just share you this cute book. So yeah, really you all will like this kit. And yeah, thanks again, and just leave me a comment and give me a big thumbs up if you like this kit, and bye bye.